Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boers, Little Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking jet skis today, and in today's video, we are going full open throttle for the very first time after engine overhaul in my parents' 2003 Sea-Doo GT Hex. Let's take a look.
And it's running great. It sounds great. It's not leaking. This is good. We're excited. But again, we have not opened it up yet. Okay, that was officially the first full open, full throttle position or input, and it again sounded great, it felt great. Little camera wobble, but that's to be expected with the speed, and tripod would help, but that's okay. And again, going great. We are going to continue this process. Full throttle, 3 to 5 seconds, maybe 7 second stops. The third, fourth, fifth in time, and at that point we'll go back to launch, check for leaks, and DORs. That should wrap up the non-careless or reckless break-in of our overhaul 950